2014, Oldstone Conservation were appointed as specialist contractor to undertake the cleaning and repairs to the facades of the Eastern Courtyard. So the GPO building was constructed in 1818 and designed by Francis Johnson, the famous architect. It was destroyed after the 1916 rising and reconstructed in 1929. The Eastern Courtyard had probably not been cleaned since that initial construction period, and Oldstone Conservation were appointed as specialist contractor to clean the facade and to repair it prior to the construction of the new Witness to History Visitor Centre that commemorated the 1916 rising. The challenge with this contract was to complete all of the works within the required time. That had been just 4 months, which was a phenomenal area of facade to clean and repair for such a short period of time. But in addition to this, the building remained occupied and in use as the post office during the works. Protections were put in place over the windows and door entrances, and noisy works had to be undertaken outside of normal working hours.
This video is proudly brought to you by Oldstone Conservation. For further information, please visit our website or take time to view our other videos in our advice series.